guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. While you're here, make sure you go ahead over and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. We are here with another video in the stationery business series, and today I'll be using Amazon merch to create a tote bag, a pillowcase, and a phone case. Amazon merch has lots of different products, but I wanted to feature these three products that you don't really hear that many people talk about. These are actually products that I do sell a lot in my Amazon merch store, and today I'll be using Productor. Productor is an extension that I use that I found really helpful. It is sponsored by Merch Informer. I can't remember if I'm affiliate or not. If I am, I'll leave the link down below. I've already downloaded my small business owner design that I'm going to be using today. I'm going to go ahead and hit the create tab so I can start uploading my designs. This is what the page looks like when you first start. And again, like I told you guys today, I am only going to do select products. I'm going to go in and deselect everything that I'm not using today. Again, I'm only going to do, let me scroll down. I'm only going to do the iPhone and Samsung case, the tote bag, and the pillowcase, okay? I'm going to hit continue. Again, that they have t-shirts, they have tank tops, they have the raglan shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, zipped hoodies, pop sockets, but I chose to only do these products here. I'm going to move myself up. Hey y'all, I know sometimes I don't always pop on here, but I wanted to. So I'm going to go ahead and start uploading with the tote bag, and I already have the dimensions down, which is 2925 by 29 pixels, and this is what you can see what it looks like here. Here it adds like different like color backgrounds and things like that you can do for these tote bags, but the pillow is the same. It's basically like the same size. I'm probably going to do $21 for this, and the pillow is probably going to be like $25. I'm gonna hit edit details, and they have two different sizes. They have 16 by 16 and 18 by 18. And that's the pillowcase. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and charge $25 for that, and my profit would be $6.93. What I love about Productor is I did not create a resize for the phone cases, but you hit resize on Productor and it'll do your phone case for you. Here is the phone case here, and it'll resize it and add it down here for you. So that's why I love this so much. All I have to do is go here, and I have my phone case, and now it's resized and I can upload it, which makes this super easy. Okay. All right. I have all of that downloaded. I have it uploaded, and now it's time for me to go ahead and work on my design title. I'm just going to do small business owner. I don't know if I use accessories. I'm just going to put my business name in there as well. The brand is going to be Coins and Connections. My billet, small business owner designs, small biz owner. What else? Entrepreneur supplies. I'm going to add Coins and Connections in there again. And that's pretty much it. When this goes live, I will definitely leave the link for that there. And then once you finish filling out all of that information, your brand name and things like that, and these are the 4 items, it basically shows you this is the items that you uploaded. And I'm gonna go ahead and hit publish, and it'll go through the process of letting me know if it's available and when it's done. And that'll show on your homepage. Those are the 4 products under review, and then it'll go from under review to like publishing, and then it'll say live. And once they're live, I'll go ahead and purchase one of each. I have an iPhone, so I'll purchase the iPhone case, I'll purchase the pillow and the tote bag. You guys can see what it looks like, and I'll do an unboxing on those 3 products. But I did want to give you guys this example of how you can upload this. Just note that there's a lot of print on demand sites that you can order a pillowcase from, a tote bag and phone case. These are just the websites that I am choosing to use in the stationery business. But if you use sites like Printful, Printify, T-Launch, they have these type of products as well where you can have everything in one place. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me showing you guys how to create your stationery business items using Merch by Amazon. I love you more than I love this video. Peace.